I'm Jagan from Raj Noho Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you the different type of charcoal pencils and also charcoals that we are selling in our shop. Like this video and subscribe our channel for regular updates. These are the different type of charcoal pencils that we sell in our shop. Each and every charcoal pencil is made of charcoal. So you can see here these are coming in different company with Camel, Monmouth, Warison. This is a white charcoal pencil. So we have all, and this is a colored charcoal pencil also. So we have all varieties of charcoal pencils, and let's see one by one. Charcoal pencils comes in different forms. So one is a hard compressed charcoal. You can see here, this one is a hard compressed charcoal pencil with hard, medium and soft in one single format that is available. And second one is a willow charcoal pencil or the grape charcoal pencil, the grape sticks. These grape sticks are made into ashes, and thereby they have got the charcoal sticks. So this one is a willow charcoal pencil, that is sticks, willow charcoal sticks. And the third form is a white charcoal, and the fourth form is a powdered form of charcoal. First one is this charcoal pencils, where these are made from compressed charcoal encased in woods. So all these are of wood, you can see here. So each and every charcoal pencil is encased in a wood format, and thereby they are coming in three format, that is soft, and another one is a medium, and another one is a hard. So these are coming in different things. So soft, medium and hard as a set form it comes, and also they are great for shading and blending. These charcoal pencils are, and finally they are rich and velvet texture they give. They have a very rich and velvet texture for your paintings. So you have to keep your charcoal pencil with a conventional sharpener or with a art knife. You can use this art knife or conventional sharpener while using these charcoal pencils. Don't use normal sharpener, or else the lead may break. So you have to use only blades, or the conventional sharpener is blades or this art knife. These charcoal pencils are available in this set form, or you can buy this individually also in our store Raj Noho Arts and Crafts. So you can see here, this one is a neutral one, that is medium. So this is coming from the brand Mary's. This is also a renowned brand for charcoal pencils and all other art pencils. So this is a Mary's. So this is a neutral charcoal pencil, that is medium sized charcoal pencils, this one. And the next one here, this one is a soft. You can see here, this one is a soft charcoal pencils. All these are soft charcoal pencils. The name soft is on the shades. So this is a soft charcoal pencils, and this one is a super soft charcoal pencils is also available. You can see here. So this comes as a box also, and also this super soft charcoal pencil is made of paper. Here this one, the outer layer is, this charcoal is embedded in paper form. So it is also very easy and also very soft to handle. So this is a super soft charcoal pencil. Here it is put super soft. And finally this one is a hard charcoal pencil also is available. This hard is also available. You can see here, where the inner charcoal is quite hard. While using, you can see a huge difference of these shades of hard charcoal pencil, soft charcoal pencil, all other things. So these all the compressed charcoal pencils are comprised of powdered charcoal held together with a binder. So each and every charcoal is powdered, which is held together with a binder and comes in a several degree of softness. You can see here hard, soft, super soft. So all the several degree of softness you can get, and good for inner detailed drawing. So for detailed drawing like these, you can see here all these. This is hard, neutral, so there will be a detailed in drawing and good for fine lines, textures and details you can get. So you can purchase this by just a WhatsApp to my number, and one piece is 25 rupees, like that only. Now this is the willow charcoal pencil, and these are created from the section of burnt grapevine. And also this is a very soft material. You can see here, this one is a very soft material. So I don't know how the camera is capturing, but it is very soft material and also easy to erase when compared to the normal this charcoal pencils. All other charcoal pencils, they are easy to erase and great for light sketches, and also the produces soft and powdered lines. So you can make powdery lines and soft lines with these charcoal pencils like this. So when come to the that is compressed charcoal pencils, these willow charcoal pencils, they are very great for making powdered lines and soft textures like that. So you can get these also in a stick form or as a pack form is also available. Willow charcoal is also available. This is a compressed charcoal pencils, and you can see here this one. So the main thing is it will turn your hands dirty, but this compressed charcoal is held together with a binder and also good for finer drawing. So that is for darker shades you can use this compressed charcoal, and they give a very velvety look, and they are more difficult to erase when compared to this willow charcoal. Willow charcoal you can easily erase, but this compressed charcoal you can't erase easily, and good for free detailed drawing. So you can use this compressed charcoal for detailed drawing also. So this is from the Camlin box, about 20 to 40 rupees. So you can see here one box has all the items. So you can get this also by just a WhatsApp. These are artist grade woodless charcoal pencils. So you can see here it comes in hard, medium and soft. So it comes two pieces in a pack. So these are all charcoal pencil are available in these three sizes, and it can be sharpened with a normal pencil, same like that. So you can use these artist grade charcoal woodless charcoal pencils in large areas. This is a white charcoal pencil. So it comes in a pack of 2 from Mott company. So you can see here this is a thick white leads we have in it, and they come in pencil as well as stick form also, but this one we have pencils at present. And also great for, these are great for creating highlights also and light tones. You can make light tone shadings like these, the background you can see for light tones, and they work very well in toned papers. All these toned papers you can use these white charcoal pencils. So you can use this white charcoal pencil for highlighting work especially. So this one is a colored charcoal pencil from Mott, and you can see here they have a 4 earthly colors that have been favored. So 4 earthly colors they have. You can see here one is the sanguine, another one is white charcoal. So in white charcoal there are 2 white charcoal, to sanguine. Sanguine is a reddish brown color, very similar to the burnt sienna. You can see here, this one is a sanguine. And white charcoal for creating, I have already told you, for creating highlights and be used for other colors. For as mid-tone also you can use this white charcoal, and also for giving dramatic effect also. And this one is a sepia. The third one is a sepia. This one in sepia itself there is a hard, so we have a sepia. This one is a brown color similar to burnt umber. You can see here, this is a brown color similar to burnt umber, and render shadow and make bold outlines. For making bold outlines you can use this sepia brand, the sepia color, and sketching needs also. And finally we have black charcoal. It is available in hard, soft, so and also medium. In one single box you have all these hard and also soft is available. So two soft pencils and one hard pencil is available. So thereby you can use your sketching needs. You can use here, this is soft and this one is a hard pencil. This is medium and hard. So when you purchase this one single box, you can get all the color pencil, that is charcoal pencils in it, from white to black. All the things you can get in one single box. The price is also quite economical also, just 400 rupees, 425 like that. The other advantage is you will be getting two in each grade, that is 2 white charcoal, 2 black, that is 2 hard, 2 soft, so and also all 2 pencils. Totally 12 pieces is available. So you can get a very good masterpiece, do a very good masterpiece on your work. So next best thing is about the kneadable eraser. For erasing your charcoals, this kneadable eraser scores a lot when compared to the normal eraser. So it is available in Montmartre also, and we have in Faber-Castell also this kneadable eraser, and also in Staedtler. So the kneadable eraser mold easily into a multitude of shapes. You can make any shapes and sizes and erase, and the erasers are quite pliable also. You can see here this Faber-Castell, it's coming in a cute box, so you can open this and come in a cute box like this. So, and also this is a Staedtler eraser, and excellent for removing highlights from charcoal pastel. So you can make very good highlights also for your charcoal work. For fine line works, there's fine line erasing, you can use this Montmartre brand also, that is Mono Zero brand also. So that is micro eraser is also available. So we have round and flat micro erasers available, and this is not from the brand Mono Zero, but this is another Korean brand. So you can see here, so it is same like the Mono Zero, and replacing core size is 2.3 mm size only. So there is an extra refill coming with this also. You can use this micro eraser in your for erasing all your charcoals also like this. So where you can put minute highlights with this. So some people are using this white gel pen also. So not mainly in charcoals, but in pencil drawing they use white gel pen also for highlighting works. This brand Camlin charcoal pencil is available locally in the market, and we have another brand also. This one from the brand Apsara is also available, just 55 rupees only for packet. So you can buy this and try out your charcoal pencils easily. Cheap and best brands with good results also you can get with charcoal pencils. So you have to use only art knife or any other blades to sharpen your this sharp pencils, charcoal pencils. Why I am telling is that it won't damage the, so this damage the lead of the pencil. So for that reason only we are using this art knife or any other cutters like that. So you can see here this one is fully made of paper. So I'm just taking away the papers away. So thereby you can see here this is the super soft. This one is a Mary's extra soft, that is super soft pencils. So I am applying less pressure only where the outer paper got erased enough. So this is how you can take, and if you want to take the powders also, you can use this super soft also, where you can get powders easily as they are very soft. So you can just scrape it and just you can take away the powders like this and use it for your work. And you can use this blending stumps also for your all your this for blending work. And also you can use another sandpaper also to make your work easier. So for making the points, minute points, you can use this sandpaper also for making the edges to be sharper also. So like this only they use the sandpaper. So normal sandpaper is enough, or you can, for taking the powders, you can use this art knife and take the powders like this. Now I am going to show you the difference, how each and every pencil is differing from on the shades. So now first I am going to take this hard charcoal pencil, and now you can see here I am going to put the same pressure on all the pencils. So from dark to light I am putting the shades. So this is 100% pressure, so I am putting, and this is a 50% pressure. So you can see here how it is coming, the shades. So this is on hard pencils, and now this is a neutral pencil. You can see how the shades is. This is 100% pressure I'm putting. So you can see the darkness is coming, and this one is a 50% pressure. You can see here, even I am putting 50% pressure. You can see here it is darker than this one. This is a medium one, the medium, and this is a less pressure. You can see here, even I am putting less pressure, it is same, it is coming like this hard. So the next one is the soft. So this is soft. So now you can see here how it is coming. This is 100% pressure, so it is more darker, and this is 50% pressure I'm putting. So I'm putting the very less pressure on this. This is like medium, it is coming, and when I'm putting a very less pressure, too less pressure also if I'm giving also, it is very darker when compared to this. So the soft is very darker than this hard, and we have this super soft also, which is much darker. This you can use it for the highlighting work. You can see here there is a huge difference in this also. So I'm putting less pressure, even that I'm putting a more pressure also. You can see here this is more pressure, how it is coming. This is more pressure, and this is less pressure. I'm putting the least pressure also. So this is the least pressure I am putting. So you can see here how the super soft is also working, same like this, but while using you can see the velvet look like this. So in the super soft you can get an extra soft while drawing. So that is what they have also put here, but I have also experienced this softness while doing it, this extra soft. And this one is a compressed charcoal pencil from Camlin. So you can see here this one how they look. So this is at 100% pressure I am putting. So this is 100% pressure I am putting for compressed charcoal. So now I am easing away the pressure. So this is mainly for backgrounds and all other line work, fine line works you can post. So this is about the compressed charcoal. And now this one is a willow charcoal, you can see here. So I can't put more pressure or else it will break, but this is very good willow charcoal. They are coming easily. The shadings are like soft pastels, like powdered charcoals they are coming, and you can use these in when you are putting dark lines also. You can see here you can put a very good lines, but here you can see here, so it is quite harder, this one. And this super soft, you can see here I am putting lines, and also this is soft. So you can see a huge difference in each and every charcoal pencils in this procedure craft. Finally, this is the artist fixative that is used for charcoal, pastel and pencil work in order to prevent the charcoal from fading away, or in order to prevent it from coming out from the paints, coming out of the paper. After finishing the entire work, you can preserve this charcoal with this fixative, just 250 rupees only from the brand Camlin. So you have to put it in an upright position and just spray it in 15 centimeter distance. You can spray it, not in a short distance. You should not spray or else it will damage the painting. So you can use this fixative, artist fixative. This is also available in our shop. And next I am going to introduce this Vanchi Arts charcoal powder. So you can see here these are the fine charcoal powders where you can use this for background and all other things, and you can easily use this as a background also, and also you can use these makeup brushes also in order to smudge it all and give the backgrounds for backgrounds. Or you can even use these tortillons also, these tortillons 6mm, 8mm, 10mm for eyes, nose, all other things. So on paper stump also you can use this for smudging purpose. So these are also available, these charcoal powders, just 60 rupees. You can just WhatsApp us and get it. When compared to the normal charcoal, these charcoal powders will be messy to work with, but you can get very good results also with these charcoal powders. You can buy all these charcoal pencils by just a WhatsApp. Kindly like this video if you find this video useful, and for your regular updates please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.